وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. The representative of the President of the Gambia, the Deputy Speaker who has just had to leave to receive the returning body of His Excellency, the Vice President, Badr Juf. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on him. The President and the Executive of Capital Pulaku, Gambia, our first Vice President, Kadriaya, and the members of the Executive of Capital Pulaku International. Brothers and sisters, permit me to stand on existing protocol and greet us as equal brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a pleasure to be in this hall once more. The last time I was here was 2013 in a meeting of African Central Bank governors in the days of President Yahya Jammeh. And I'm pleased to be back in Gambia after so long. And I'm pleased that this is my first official Tabita Pulaku event since my election as the new Horejo. Let me begin by extending on my behalf and on behalf of the entire executive our condolences to His Excellency President Adama Barrow and to the good people of Gambia on the passing away of the Vice President. It's a great loss of an African leader. And I would like to commend Tabita Pulaku Gambia for cancelling the cultural night in his honor. And it is for this reason we're trying to make this event as short as possible to honor the dead. I also apologize for not having been able to attend the Fobe Africa event to which I was invited by Her Excellency the First Lady and the Deputy Speaker in December. But it is also for that reason that I decided it is extremely important that we do not miss this event, having missed the earlier one. Tabita Pulaku is about the preservation of Fulani culture, the culture, traditions, and values. It is not a tribal organization that sets the Fulani against the Fobe against other ethnic groups. The Fobe of Gambia are Gambians. The Fobe of Nigeria are Nigerians. The Fobe of Guinea